And when you're feeling frisky, you might do a contour line that comes down like this. And what that does is it mimics the idea of buccal fat removal. You're seeing like some of the Hollywood celebrities getting the fat of their cheeks removed, you know, cosmetically. Well, I don't believe in that. I believe in good contour. So on like a day like today, I did a basic contour, which is just here. But if you wanted to do a more aggressive contour, like when I'm podcasting, then I need to be snatched. I will take my contour and I will take it mostly from the top of my ear down toward my mouth, but instead of stopping, I'll keep going and I'll let that contour come down this way. So basically, this whole little piece would be shaded a little bit darker to give a little bit more of a snatched look. So if you have like chubby little cheeks, like, you know, little chubby cheeks, it kind of takes away the chubby cheeks. So wherever you're contouring, it's going to be a little bit darker color. That's going to basically remove the fat in that spot. So people tend to contour around behind this jaw, under here, under, and under there. That's where people are typically contouring. We're doing that because if you have a double chin, which thankfully I don't have, but if you do have the double chin, you put the contour here and it actually goes away. Okay, so that's the placement, the location for your makeup is there.